Yo, what's up, people? Kalak AI, I'm back. We are back. There you go. And we took a break because my older camera got messed up. I've been trying to like fix it. Not fix it. Whatever. It's just messed up. So taking the engine out because it's leaking oil somewhere, and I think it's time for a new refresh. I've been already 4 years since the last time this engine was taken out, and yeah, time to clean everything, get everything ready, everything refresh, and hopefully I get hit the track this year.
I'm on my fucking hot boy. You need to stop, boy. I got dirty beamers on the block, boy. I leave you laying, look like you sleeping. I got a drip, that nigga leaking. He up the drugs, that nigga tweaking, shaking that ass. She know that's my weakness. Me and my gang, we don't give a fuck. I'm in the AM doing donuts. I don't do clubs, I'ma like the block. I'ma flop as a cops, they're not gonna stop.
Alright, for the people that thought I was gonna do engine swap, I'm not. Let's leave it like that. I'm not doing engine swap. Always gonna be an M52, M50 guy. I would never swap to another something else. I can never say never, but by far my favorite engines are these. So far, I'm only gonna refresh it, change all the gasket, and some more goodies. I'm not gonna say here, but so far, well, I'm gonna focus on cleaning, because it's gas, oil, antifreeze on the floor. So it's good. Why you move it like that? Nigga, that's just
Hey, you ready? Nah.
Who the fuck are these kids right here? Yo, hey, get out. No, get out. Get outside, go outside. So when the engine dropped on us, this happened. Amazing. And I was about to sell this valve cover just to get some extra money. I might just clean for now. I'm gonna clean it with the rust for now. Then I'm gonna see. It's nasty. What the fuck is it? This shit. See all of this? That's 1, 2, right there. This part right there. 3. This whole piece right here. So maybe that was the smoke that was coming from the front. Before this happened, it was leaking from there too. Do a few little things. That's it. Let me clean that. When I clean that, I might take out the ABS right now. So, you know I got rocks that I sling off the curb, big words and it's like the minor. Jesus. Alright, so I'm not gonna do the ABS today. I'm gonna do it another day, and I can actually do the ABS and the bike and the ABS delete. So that's another day. What I'm gonna do is buy a blue tarp, because I'm definitely not putting this back in there. So another thing will crack. So I'm gonna shoot just like that, and I'm gonna go somewhere. But, so I found a nut that fits this, because I'm by myself, so I'm gonna have to push the hoist with the engine all the way over here. So let's see how that goes. So this was the problem earlier, and then I had a nut, so the bolt came loose, and the whole engine just rocked to the side, and that's why the valve cover got a fucking crack. let's hope for the best. Alright, here. My neighbor actually helped me guide it. So that might be it for tonight. But tomorrow, I have nothing else to do. So that's how you call it. That's it for tonight. But my body right now is not having it. This build is actually going to be a lot of content from this build. A lot of new things. Fixing a lot of things because I did a lot of half-ass shit. So stay tuned with that one, alright? We're gonna do a E36 project build, whatever we build, whatever the fuck it is. But you already know who we are. Like, comment, subscribe, and so y'all tagging us somewhere.